Scott Peterson. New evidence reveals police overlooked crucial clues. Nearly 22 years after Scott Peterson was found guilty of murdering his pregnant wife, his legal team claims groundbreaking new evidence could help overturn his conviction. Attorneys with the Los Angeles Innocence Project, or LAIP, say they've uncovered findings that challenge one of America's most infamous murder convictions. Their detailed investigation is featured in A&E's new two-part docuseries, Scott Peterson, The New Evidence. Retired LAPD detective Ninette Toosbuy, who appears in the documentary, told Fox News Digital that standard missing person protocols were not followed in the Peterson case. She argues that every possible lead, especially witness sightings, should have been thoroughly investigated. According to Toosbuy, this oversight alone warrants a deeper look and potentially a new trial for Peterson. However, LAIP Peterson's mother, Sharon Rocher, remains unconvinced. Rocher has long rejected claims of wrongful conviction, dismissing the documentary's claims outright, stating, "There is no new evidence." Prosecutors maintain that Peterson murdered LAIP, who was 8 months pregnant, on Christmas Eve 2002, dumping her body in San Francisco Bay. Her remains, along with those of their unborn son, Connor, washed ashore months later. Peterson was convicted and sentenced to death, though that sentence was later overturned, and he is now serving life without parole. Key to the new claims are at least 15 people who said they saw LAIP walking her dog on the morning of December 24th, after the time Peterson told investigators he had already left for a fishing trip. Toosbuy believes investigators' failure to fully pursue these sightings was a critical misstep. Basic missing person investigation 101 is to track down every one of those leads, interview them, and determine whether they are credible, she said. If confirmed, these sightings could have immediately excluded Peterson as a suspect. Another significant point raised by Peterson's attorneys is the alleged insufficient investigation into a burglary across the street from the Petersons' home on the morning LAIP disappeared. A burned-out van containing a mattress with what appeared to be bloodstains was found a mile from Peterson's home the next day. Toosbuy finds it bizarre that the police didn't explore a possible connection, suggesting they may have focused solely on Peterson too quickly. Defense attorney Chris Pixley, also featured in the docuseries, notes that Modesto police largely disregarded these varying accounts, and Peterson's original defense team never called any of these witnesses to the stand. This raises questions about whether the trial might have had a different outcome. While previous DNA testing on a portion of the mattress didn't identify LAIP's DNA, LAIP argues the testing was incomplete and inadequate. The docuseries also introduces new hydrological modeling that suggests LAIP's body could have been placed miles from where Peterson claimed to be fishing, at a location accessible only by trail. Additionally, handwritten notes recovered from the Peterson home suggest LAIP may have known about the fishing boat and was buying equipment for it, contradicting the prosecution's theory that Peterson secretly bought it to dispose of her body. Peterson's affair with massage therapist Amber Frey was a key part of the original trial. Toosbuy acknowledges this, but stresses that while unwise, having an affair does not automatically make you a murderer. Despite these new arguments, a San Mateo County Superior Court judge recently denied Peterson's latest petition to overturn his conviction. The Stanislaus County District Attorney called it nothing more than recycled, repackaged, and rebranded arguments. However, Peterson's attorneys are planning to appeal to a higher California court, keeping this long-running legal battle alive.